Excuse me. Alright, I just fed my birds. Finally had a couple eggs hatch. These are the ones that had the eggs. Now I got 2 babies. These birds are no more than 7 months old. So I got 2 nests there, and my first eggs to hatch. And these are younger birds. They're still a little squeamish. They're not used to me quite yet. The one pair up there in the corner right there, they got an egg, that gray model over there. It's got an egg, but I just got this little yellow one down there. I'm gonna mate her. I'm hoping it's a hen bird to this black model over here, if he can get his shit together. He's in love with this gray model here. I gotta mate him up to that yellow one up there in the corner. He won't leave that gray model alone. There's her mate right there. I'll have to see if their egg hatched. Their egg is due to hatch. Let me see. Yep, still got the egg in there. Oh, so it ain't hatched yet. They already ate a little bit, so that's why they're not down there feeding. I want to make that yellow one. I already said that to this black one here, but the black one can't get his shit together. I put him in a cage together, but he really wasn't too interested. There you go, he went after him that time. I have a problem with mites. I spoke to someone and also read up on it. Tipperman 266 told me I probably have to get perch oil, and I got the perch oil. It seemed like it worked in the beginning, but then it seemed like the birds just kept itching. So I'm gonna get 7 dust. I seen where 7 dust will help. I got it. Some of them got fleas on them. It's not a lot, so I'm gonna use that 7 dust. Will someone message me and let me know if I should get the spray or the dust? That's what I'm gonna use next, plus the perch oil. I got 5 pairs of tipplers. Once the black one and the yellow one mate, that'd be 5 pairs. And all these young ones that come up, I'm going to try and fly them before the end of summer. I know it'll only be 2 or 3 of them.